Earn money by simply clicking watch. You can earn $5 repeatedly by simply watching internet videos or video ads. If you spend a lot of time watching videos online but still struggle to make money, this opportunity may be for you. No prior knowledge or experience is needed to start earning up to $300 or more per day. All you have to do is turn on your phone or computer and visit the provided website. This method is completely free and available worldwide, and no credit card or other payment is required. If you are not located in the US, don't worry. We'll provide you with 3 websites and apps to help you maximize your earnings and have multiple sources of income working simultaneously. Please make sure to watch the entire video without pausing. By learning how to use all 3 of the websites and following my instructions, you have the opportunity to make some decent money online that could potentially change your life. In this video, I will show you the first website where you can easily earn money by watching videos or video advertisements. Just click play, watch the video, and start earning money without any previous knowledge or expertise. I will demonstrate a total of 3 websites with plenty of real-life examples, so be sure to stay with me until the end. It's important to follow every instruction I provide in this video in order to avoid any mistakes. To maximize your earnings in the shortest time possible, it's crucial to utilize all 3 of these websites. Here's an exciting opportunity to work online for your favorite brand and earn real money. It's super easy. The first step is simply watching a video. You can see how much time you have spent watching ads by watching them, and they'll pay you and reward you daily based on the duration of your views. After watching the video ads, you can also earn bonus cash by taking a few short surveys. I will guide you through each step in detail so you can easily complete the surveys and earn at least 50 cents to $2 for each video you watch. As an added bonus, this website also offers a referral program where you can earn an extra $1 for each friend you refer. This is an additional revenue stream that can help you earn even more. In addition, you can also earn money by downloading offers from your favorite brands. Be sure to watch the entire video for a thorough explanation of how it works. With this website, you can start crashing out your earnings once you reach a balance of $10 or more. The great thing about this is that you can receive real money and cash out in just one day. In its first year, this website paid out over $632,000 in cash and rewards. Despite being relatively new, I haven't heard anyone else talking about them. As you can see, it's very easy to get paid to watch video ads and complete online service. They offer 4 different payment methods for you to choose from, including PayPal, bank transfer, gift cards, and charitable donations. It's completely free to use and can be found in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Pay special attention to this. Add Wallet is a free app. You can start using this app right now and after downloading it for free. The only requirements are a mobile phone and an email account. Use the promo code FAQ for an extra $1 when you create a free account. To find the correct app, search for Add Wallet in the Google Play Store and look for the logo shown in the video. The app is free to download and available worldwide. You can check your balance and see how much money you have earned by logging into your Add Wallet account on your phone. You can earn money online by watching new videos and advertisements that will be displayed in this app. You can earn up to $5 for each video you watch. For example, as you can see, you have 3 new videos ready for you to watch. After viewing the advertisements, you can withdraw your earnings. Once you reach a balance of $10 or more, you can cash out your money in 4 different ways on this website. Before we move on to the next website, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video so far. If you found this video informative and useful, please leave a comment below. Now, let's visit boxinside.com. which is the second website where you can earn money online by watching advertisements. You'll be compensated every 10 seconds as you can see here. All you have to do is browse through several advertisers' websites, which is quick and easy. On this website, you can quickly cash out your funds within 24 hours and start receiving your payment. The best part is that you can start withdrawing your funds as soon as you reach a balance of $2, which is very low minimum threshold that is easy to meet. As you can see, simply watching the advertisement on this page will earn you money. It's a simple way for anyone to make money on this website. Again, the minimum payment is $2 and they support multiple currencies. There are various payment methods available, such as Payza, Avcash, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payeer, Skrill, Bitcoin, NetTeller, and more. Here are some additional advertisements that you can watch to continue earning money. When you click on one of these ads, you'll watch a very basic video and get paid. Clicking on this advertisement will take you to this page, where you must stay for 30 seconds. They will credit you with the money after you close the website in just 30 seconds. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. For example, when you click on the next advertisement, you'll be taken to the next website and you must stay there for another 30 seconds to earn money. Just a reminder that there is nothing you need to do. No clicking or signing up is required. Simply visit the website, browse around, and stay for no more than 30 seconds to earn money. If you want to register for this website, make sure to click the register option and proceed to this page. To access this page, you must provide your email address, username, and the currency you want to be paid in. Then, you'll need to choose your preferred payment method. As you can see, they offer a variety of options. Enter your birth year and make sure to click yes to the statement. I declare to have read, understood, and accepted the terms of this service. That's it. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to check out my other videos and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell too. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.